Today we're working on the 1985 F150, and today we're putting on spark plug wires. As you can see, number one spot on the distributor, I yanked off that cable first, and then we're going to do one at a time. So here's the old one, here's the new one. I'm doing NGK cables. I decided to do blue since the truck was blue. Yeah, you just want to size them up, make sure they're about the same length or as close as you can get. And then you want to grab your grease and you want to put it on your spark plug before you put the wire on. And right there's my first one, it's way down there. And then here's the top of the distributor where I'm going to plug the other end. The short end goes on the distributor. The long end goes on the engine. Alrighty, I'm going to stick the first one on and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, I got the first one on. And my light's almost too bright. There we go. Here's the first one. And then I'm going to zip tie it. Alright, got all the spark plug wires installed, except for one. The one to the right there, I could not find the right length for that one because all the ones to the left, they just barely made it to the distributor. So it seems like one of the cables were off or something, but I just left one of the old ones on. All the rest are new. And then I ran into another problem. I got down to the coil and I think I actually found what's wrong with my truck. Okay, you see right there on the coil, the little nub has broke off and went into the old one of these spark plug wires that goes from the coil to the distributor. And this is what the new one's supposed to look like.